Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone. Update the OS and free up space so the AI can run reliably. Open Settings and enable mic, camera, storage, and background data permissions for the chosen app. Once done, install the official AI app or a trusted assistant from your App Store and sign in with a verified account. This ensures personalized models and sync. You immediately grant any onboarding permissions the app requests and complete any basic voice or typing profile, you now configure the assistant for how you work. Set language, choose a voice tone, and pick default response length to prevent long or short replies. Next, connect calendars, contacts, and frequently used apps so the AI can pull real-time context and act inside other apps. Once done, give the model 5 to 10 quick prompts or voice samples to refine its responses. This training makes suggestions more relevant. Make sure to toggle privacy options to limit data sharing if you want tighter control. You finish by using and automating tasks. Build routines like morning briefings, quick message drafts, or smart replies so the AI saves time daily. Once done, add shortcuts and widgets to your home screen for one-tap access to frequent actions and connect voice activation if desired. If the assistant misbehaves, clear the app cache, restart the phone, retrain with fresh examples, and double-check permissions. That single troubleshooting tip resolves most issues. Make sure to review privacy settings periodically.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.